ArtistsInspire is unique in a way that the goal is to bring someone in that can help elevate what you're already doing and support it and raise it to another level, in a way that often, from my experiences coming in as an artist, the students can absorb a little bit differently. And sometimes just hearing it from somebody else, the same things that you're trying to teach in a new format, in a new way, in a creative way. Um, I find I learn from every single teacher that I go into and carry that with me. So as an artist, I am so grateful to every teacher and every school that invites me into their classroom, into their school to work with the students. Um, and I also hope that that goes the other way. I will often have teachers reflect to me back and say, oh, I really liked how you incorporated that piece. I'm going to borrow that in the future. I'm going to use that with my students. They really responded well to that. I'm going to add that into my dialogue. So not only are the artists able to witness and see the amazing work that the teachers are doing, the teachers in turn can witness and learn from the artists as well and integrate that.